So guys, here is another Su blockchain airdrop that you should not miss. Remember, Walrus printed $3,000, $5,000, $10,000 depending on your allocation. So if you missed on Walrus, you should not miss on this Vendetta game XYZ, and this is it. So you can see Vendetta and Walrus. You see, this involves you just answering questions and giving them answers. They have daily check-in and they have quiz answer you have to conclude. So I'll be dropping the answers to this quiz in the description box of this video and the registration link. So you see this, cracking the votes completed. Because I've done this, the answer to this, to all of these ones, I'll drop it in the description box of this video. So you see, picture pursuit 1, 100 points. I've just answered this picture pursuit. So the next one was this picture pursuit 2. I'll click on, you see how I enter the answers. All of these things, all of these words you are seeing here are the answers. So I'll click on submit. So firstly, to sign up on this, click paste the link on your browser. You can either connect your Google account or you connect your Su wallet. For myself, I connected Su wallet. So I connected the Su wallet straight up. I don't want to start having any issues of wallet connection. So for you to be able to connect Su wallet, I think Su wallet only has extension. So you should be using either Brave wallet or Mrs. Browser. You should be using either Brave browser or Su or Mrs. Browser rather. So if you paste this link to your Mrs. Browser where you already downloaded your Su wallet extension, then you can connect your Su wallet straight up. Don't bother connecting Google. But if you don't have a if you don't have a Mrs. Browser, which I expect you to download, you download your Mrs. Browser, sign up on Mrs. Browser just like Google or Chrome browser. Then download extension, Su wallet extension. This is the extension where my pointer is the wallet extension. Just type it on that Mrs. Wallet, Mrs. Browser. Type Su wallet extension and you click on add to Chrome. You type Su wallet extension and you click on add to Chrome. Do make to add the Su wallet extension to your Chrome. Then paste this link, this Vendetta game. Paste it to your Mrs. Browser and choose wallet connection. You have the option to either sign up using Google or sign up using wallet. To be on the safer side, I'll just advise you to sign up using wallet straight up. But if you think you don't want to sign up using wallet, then sign up using the Google option. So I'll submit this as well. I just have to show you how to enter these answers. You can see right between the so this is how you enter the answers and you click on submit. So both the answers and the registration links will be added to the description box of this video. As soon as you are seeing this video, ensure you take position right away. Do not skip this. So I think I've submitted for these 3. Okay, they should tick this task completed. So we have this picture puzzle 3, and I have to enter the answers here again. Another answer. So the thing is, they drop this answer on they drop these questions like it's on, like, how do I say it? It's not regular, meaning that you have to stay connected for you to know when they drop another question to add. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. They drop these questions answer, you know, anytime. I can't tell you the precise time they drop this, but all I can tell you is that you should be connected, like stay connected, so that when they drop it, you will know. Be on my Telegram community. That's where I can do a follow-up answers to this airdrop. That's the only way I can do a follow-up answers to this airdrop. So you have to be there. There's no way I will make another video to come and tell you, okay, oh, they've dropped another question and answer. You understand what I'm trying to say? So I'm using, I'm trying to type in all of these words so that you see what I'm just doing just for example purpose. So scrambled egg. Let's get this spelling for Scrabble. Let's submit. So let me see. Okay, you see they've ticked this corrected, as you can see, completed. So let me just submit for this, and let me scroll down to this. And we have this spin on chain, street gambits on chain, withdraw. Okay, let me do this on chain and see if we are going to have okay, let me spin the wheel every day to earn points. If I spin this, let me see if they are charging Sue for this spin wheel. I just want to confirm something, because I just signed up today. I just signed up now. You can see I'm just answering the questions and answer. So I want to confirm if this spin on chain is testnet or mainnet or free. It's just spinning. Just spin the wheel every day to earn points. I think the network. So I'm waiting for this thing to spin so that I can confirm which one is which. Okay, since this has refused to spin quickly, I don't think I have the patience for this. So as you can see, it's asking for network approval. Okay, let me just approve and see what the gas is like. If I'll be needing Sue token, Sue coin to farm this. Okay, so basically they only pop up approval message, but they didn't deduct any of my Sue coin. I only receive approval to hard wallet. So I think this spin is free, and you can see I just won 50 points or 60 points or what have you. So now I can move to the next task. So we also have this daily check-in. This is what you do daily. The daily check-in is daily. Why all of this community reduce prison breakthrough, they are one-time task, they are one-time quiz. So all of this you see 0 completed. These answers I'll be dropping them in the description box of this video. So just follow the prompts as I've shown in this video. Click on it, answer the quiz and submit. Then that's all. So I think I've completed. Okay, I still have 2 here. Remain 2 here, so I can enter the answers for these ones. Okay, I've not entered an answer. So basically, guys, this is how to earn on this Vendetta game XYZ. Connect your Sue wallet. Use Mrs. Browser if you don't have a PC. Then complete the task, the quiz by using the answers that I'll be providing in the description box of this video. Do daily check-in and await subsequent updates. Make sure you are subscribed to my YouTube channel and as well my Telegram community, so that when they drop another quiz, you'll be able to get the answers, because there is no probability I will make a subsequent video on quiz answers and all of that until maybe withdrawal, claiming, and all of that. So stay tuned, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell. Also join my Telegram community. Check the link in the pin post in the comment section or the description box of this video. See you guys on the next one, and bye for now.